Hello, everyone, and welcome to a daily meditation designed to bring your head into the right place for whatever you have ahead of you, as well as potentially put your head to rest if it's time for you to close your day. I invite you to find a comfortable seat. I'm on a bolster and a blanket to prop my hips up. You can also lay down if this is more towards the end of your day. For me, I'm kind of midday, so finding that grounding in the middle of my day. I invite you to close your eyes with me. Good. Exhale, let the breath out of the body. And find a place where you can be peaceful in a seat for a short period of time, knowing that this isn't your forever. You're not stuck in one place. If you need to stretch or reach overhead, you're always welcome to do that. There's not a right or wrong way to meditate, but instead a way that serves your body best. Swallow. Feel the crown of your head reaching up if you're seated. If you're on your back, feel the back of your skull falling into the earth. If you're seated, feel long through the spine, tailbone pressing down. If you're on your back, feel the spine long, reaching down towards the glutes and out the bottoms of the feet. Now that we all feel the earth beneath us, depending on how we've chosen to rest our bodies, I invite you to see if your breath can become a little bit more calm. Let's start with a counted breath. You're going to breathe in for 3, 2, pausing at the top, the breath is still in your body. And then out for 4, 3, 2, and all the way out of the body. Let's repeat. Inhale in, 3, 2. Keep pulling the breath in. And then out for 4, 3, 2. Breath fully out of the body. Beautiful. Continue to feel the breath move in and out. Continue to feel the energy within your body. Maybe you keep counting as that serves you best, or maybe you stray away from counting and you just feel your body's energy and how much breath you want to pull in and how much breath you want to push out of your body. Inhaling and slow to exhale. Remembering that you are brought onto this earth to create a beautiful life, to choose which way you want to wake up in the morning, head to bed at night, how you want to serve and lead, how to trust and feel. And by choosing your path, you have this opportunity to bring people along, your friends, your family, your coworkers. Those you interact with on a daily basis can feel your joy, your energy for life. And I invite you to remember that if you're feeling lonely or if you're feeling not connected or you're just having a challenging week, which happens to many of us. Remember, there's a connection there, even if it's not right in front of you. Someone else can feel the energy right now that you're creating inside of you as we breathe together. We'll take a few more breaths. You're doing a really wonderful job if you're new to meditation. Remember, you can always continue this longer if you wish as well. Deep breath in and a slow breath out. I invite you to blink your eyes open or gaze downward and just notice how you feel after that short time together. Just about 5 minutes. Enough to hopefully bring the body into this beautiful place of rest. And the rest isn't about sleep, even though you might need some. It's about resting what's going on inside. If it's always hyped up, how can we bring it to rest? Enjoy your day. Thank you for sitting or laying and meditating with me today. See you later.